Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm going to show you how to make professional website quickly in a few clicks, and after watching this video, you'll be able to make any kind of website. I picked the Bluehost ISP provider, which provides unlimited website and great support. The Bluehost has free certain domain name free. All ISP sites similar services out there. Just pick up domain name as easy to say, easy to search on Google. Usually .com, .jp, .org will be recommended one. As you see, the price very good deal for $4 per month and 3 years $142. Free domain name, free unlimited website means including MySQL database unlimited. And make sure and select the Koga basic Bluehost CS tools, site log, security essential. You can do it on the WordPress site. And basically $142, free unlimited domains, free unlimited website means including MySQL database unlimited, security features to 24/7 chat support, can ask anytime, resolve anytime. Pretty much I work with them and resolve in the chat, and quite good on the service. Most of you guys are beginner, even professional require some question on service website. Definitely plus for 24/7 chat. And performance great, definitely one of the top ISP out there, the worldwide in low cost. So when you create the Bluehost account and first log in, you see the home page and WordPress. So you click on here to begin to create the website, WordPress, and also my sites and create it. Most of the common platform, WordPress is pre-installed. So you can take advantage of using the WordPress and type name of the website, and tag name will be in the header. It is very easy to fill in with the wizard. The most advanced ISP like Bluehost supports WordPress or other platforms, wide range of scripts and database, and Bluehost will not go wrong if you pick one. And always cancel within 30 days and see if you like or not. For developer are interested in Java, JavaScript support will be extend your skills, customize your pages. I think you'll be appreciated on these supports. Now the W-admin is how to log into your website. After your domain name is access your website, log in with your admin password and click on view, see the current default homepage theme website. Next one is this is a dashboard where you can manage your website here. After logging to the WP-admin, you can see similar to this dashboard. The most important part, posts and comment pages, media plugins, and user tools and settings. You'll be using this main dashboard, so you should be familiarizing with this menu. Will be get used to it after watching this video. Another way to access the page where it says customize, most of the themes says customize to access like a dashboard, and then you can change the theme here, which is pre-install or some of the new ones that available in the WordPress. Then you can pretty much site identity, name and labels and colors. You can change light and dark and customize. Then also change header or media. Features you can change on the header of the pictures, the name of the site name and the scheme, color change, header picture, profile menu of the contents widget, where the sidebar features you can see on the left side, and you can change the basically widget where the static and dynamic here. When you change a latest post, it will be appear. They create the new post right here. Then on the right side has a widget where you can set up any of the widget available. So I show you later how these things work, and quickly CSS which you can change on appealing and like color of the label and stuff like that. This one is basically I'm talking about the free logo design that you can create it. Basically you can just pick any of the logo and change the labels. Then you can send the JPEG to your emails and download these. Then upload to the post and page for the feature pictures or any of the logo that you want to change on the headers or something like that. So I just wanted to give you some tips on it so that maybe you can use it. There are so many logo free builders out there. Some of them come with the picture, but most of the theme doesn't come with it. So you might want to customize those pictures for posts and pages and create the logo and headers so that it'll be better for your page. So here is some of the custom logo and pages and pictures that I did, and some of the interesting logo that I can make on the headers, and also logos and posts, picture and features pictures. Next lesson is I'll talk about how to install the theme, activate it, and also install the plugin. Then use the template for your page. It's easier to create the pages in few clicks away. And I'll use the Astra theme, Astra templates first, then customize the pages later on. So here is the how to install all the pre-installed themes available, or just the new ones that you can look for it. So some of the pages are already installed, so I just need to look for Astra. Then Astra is already installed, and I just need to activate it. But if you wanted to just, first time just look for this, you just need to install it. Then after that, you just activate. So that's how to install it. So after install the Astra, you can see starter templates. Then basically you need to install next one. You need to install the plugin. Then add new. Then type Astra. Then you can find the starter templates eliminator. So Eliminator is also the plugin itself, and this tool is great for the beginner to just look at the GUI and change the interface that way, instead of going to the CSS or the coding on a PHP or anything like that. So let's look at the page. This is the dynamic page where I was testing for you guys to show you how the dynamic and static works. Some cases dynamic is good if you have a flat page where it has a widget and bars, and also front. Some pages are dynamic, but in this case I'll just change it to static, and some of the pages here that are some of the template already imported, so it shows it right there. So I did create some of the page, a little customize it. There's something you could do, go under the page and just create the custom and select the eliminator, then change the fonts and labels or some pages that you want to do. So this is pretty good, decent page where you can start and you can finish within like 10 minutes pretty much. Then just change some of the contents and stuff like that. Hopefully this is clear, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to talk about a little bit advanced page where on the themes that has the themes name always when you install it. So you might want to change it footer of the copyrights information to your copyrights. Some of the themes that you don't want to use, like power by WordPress, maybe power by your name or power by something else, and also change the theme's name. So you need to go to the appearance and a theme editor. Then just understand, because these are the pages that you need to code sometimes. Once in a while, some of the custom pages doesn't work, so you might want to go into that. But mainly the footer copyrights, basically you need to look for the footer PHP. Some of the files are hidden, so you need to look for it and just look around and click to maybe under INC, then there might be the footer information in there, so I just need to look for it. some of them are in the function PHP, so you might need to search for it, or you can just go into the file manager in your Bluehost page, and under that you can find the content HTML folder and has the theme folders, and look for the theme name. Then under that you can just subfolder look for the actual contents of like copyrights keywords, and you can search for it that way. So in my case it's has theme name, so I just need to look for the name of the content, so you can find this where actually written. Some of them it's a little bit complicated because maybe reference to some other places. So if you have any other doubts how to modify it, you just let me know. You can comment, subscribe to my channel, then I'll show you where to change it. So this is where I found the actual name of the themes that I wanted to modify. Then also the hyperlink you wanted to change it, so I'll change it to my website. Then I'll change it to something like similar to my content of the theme. So the most of clients required to change these, so I do that all the time. Yeah, so hope that's the clear. Just update the files and view it, then it will update on that page right here. So this is what I wanted to do, copyrights and by support, something like that. Today I couldn't talk about the CSO rank and advertise website and how to get paid through the website and Google AdSense and how to get approved. So next time I'll talk about these and see. Pretty much easy to do that. Then it's kind of difficult for somebody who don't have experience how to get approved for the AdSense. So I'll include that next video. So please subscribe to my channel, and it's gonna be very helpful for you guys. Thank you.